So first thing they want us to do is get rid of all of the page breaks that we have preset in here. And then we're going to adjust the margins. So you want a left and right margin of 3. And that's going to kind of dramatically affect your page breaks, as you can see. Adding 6 inches of margins doesn't leave you a lot of room to print. The reason that they are doing this is so that we can kind of mess around with the headers and the footers. So we're going to go into the page setup dialog box. We're going to go into header and footer. And the first thing they want us to do is have a different header and footer for odd and even pages. So we're going to start by doing a custom header. And what they would like, what you want to end up with, is yearly budget over in this left section. And so you're going to highlight what's there and you're going to key in yearly budget. You're going to click on format text and make sure the size is 12. And we're not doing this quite yet, so I'm going to get rid of that. So anything that you would have in the center or the right, you need to get rid of. And then we're going to go into even. And for the even pages, we want yearly budget over here on the right. And also you want to make sure it's size 12. So if you've got it keyed in, just highlight it, click here, change it to size 12. And then you're going to click OK. For the custom footer, you're going to delete what you have in the left or the right section. All they want is your name in the center, and that should be size 12. So you're going to highlight, make sure that the format is size 12, and you're going to do the same thing for your even page. If you've got anything in the left or the right, you're going to delete. And then for the center, it's your name, size 12. And we will click OK. And then we're going to click OK again. And we can take a look at this in print preview. And what you should notice is yearly budget is going to kind of pop to the next side when we go from one page to the next. Okay? And your name is always centered at the bottom. Now we're going to go back and we're going to make another adjustment. So we're going to go into page setup and go into header and footer. We're going to turn off different odd and even, and we're going to turn on different first page. And then we're going to go into custom header. And for the first page, what we want is over on the right-hand side, or for not the first page, for subsequent pages, I should say. Let's click on first page here. For the first page, on the right-hand side, we want the page number. Okay, and that is all we want on that first page. So we're going to click OK. Now you'll notice on subsequent pages, whatever's in header will display. On the first page, we've got page number. So let's go ahead and click OK. And we'll click OK again. And then let's take a look at this. So on the first page, we have the number. Okay, and then we have the text. And let's go back and save.